Thank you. Well, look at the water.
There's not much happening.
Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Going to disappear, boys and girls. It's going to disappear.
Are you guys getting weirdly emotional yet?
Because it's so dark.
No.
If I were tripping, I probably would have breakdown on that mountain.
Oh my god.
You would have what?
You would have been like crying. Like,
Sorry,
guys, we came so far.
I had a breakdown on the mountain.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's so small. It's
Yeah, she's winning now.
They're rippling shadows.
Look at the ground.
Whoa.
There's ripples on the ground.
Like, look.
What is this?
Oh, Is that whoa. clouds?
Wait, where?
Just like everywhere.
Whoa, holy shit.
Look at the road. You can see
Whoa.
Crazy, yeah, look at the ripples. Oh my god.
Whoa, the ripples on the ground are crazy.
This is my new favorite natural phenomenon. I'm gonna scream. I guess it's
Oh, it is getting.
Oh my gosh.
There it is.
Oh, it's so close.
They can see Venus.
Oh my god, that's awesome. Good eye,
Oh, I see it.
What is it?
Venus.
Oh, sick.
Oh my god. Yeah, we can see a lot of stars.
Oh my goodness.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
It's going.
Oh my gosh. Oh no, I accidentally looked at the sun and now I can't see it.
Whoa. It's so tiny.
I don't know if I should look at the waves.
Oh it's gone.
No, it's still.
I don't see it.
Okay, now. Yeah!
Oh my god! Oh my god! You're kidding! Oh my god!
It's real! Oh my god, it looks so fucking cool! Holy shit!
Oh, it is right on the horizon. It's not exactly what it was, but yeah.
You're kidding! Oh my god!
Holy shit, that looks so fucking cool! Holy fuck!
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's insane! That's so fucking cool!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
This is crazy.
That's the other one.
Holy shit! It's got like rings of light around it and
Jupiter
shit.
to the left, Venus to the right.
Fuck.
I got you.
God.
It's not looking good on the.
Oh yeah.
I gotta get it.
Holy shit.
You can't even see it with your flip glasses now.
Oh, fuck.
Summer.
Should we take a picture with it?
I don't even want to lose a moment of it. So fucking sick. Holy shit. Oh my god, it's dope as fuck. Yeah.
Wait, I want to take a picture.
There's nothing like it.
Yeah, see
the little diamond?
Yeah, what is that?
Look at this little edge at the, at the bottom. There's
I think that's the.
little bright spot there.
Actually, yeah, it might be. It might be a crater. It might be a crater.
it's getting longer.
Oh, like the rays of light.
Oh, birds.
They're probably like, yeah, this is dope.
Jupiter.
Imagine you're like the person above the light. That would be.
It looks like
Oh, fuck. It looks like a portal to another dimension. Like, yeah.
He thinks that's a what? It was kind of working. What do you think it is? Can you tap it? The sun? Tap the sun.
I hate the fact that
Hey, quick, get a picture of it.
Whoa, that's awesome. Wait.
Or at least on my phone.
You're. Oh my god, this is sick!
Summer, we want you.
Oh shit.
Oh, I gotta turn off your flash. Or did it work?
We don't have. Let's get one with Summer.
Yeah.
We probably only have maybe another minute.
Dad, Dad.
It's okay.
Yeah. Well, that might be one of those planes watching the eclipse.
That's okay.
Evan said the shadow of the moon across the river.
That's what we're under.
Did we get Summer? We can, Summer. Jupiter and Venus.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure. That's probably a private charter. Yeah, it could be. Did you ever see the story of the Concorde? What, did it chase one? Yeah. Yeah, and was fast enough to stay in the shadow for a while? Yeah, like over an hour.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
I think it's starting. It's coming out. Glass is back on.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. It's like dawn. 360 dawn. It is. Yeah. Yeah.